Sony has announced that PlayStation is going all digital, with physical game disc production being discontinued starting January 2028. After that, you'll only be able to purchase new games digitally on the PlayStation Store and in retailers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Sony calls this decision a response to shifting trends in consumer preference, with digital sales significantly outweighing physical. Last year, physical game distribution accounted for just 3% of PlayStation's revenue, and the fact that the PS5 Pro launched in 2024 without a disk drive was a pretty good indication of Sony's future direction. The strategic shift will have no impact on physical games already released or those that are planned for release before January 2028, but the secondhand video game market will obviously take an enormous hit if people were no longer able to trade in their unwanted PS5 games. Earlier, Rockstar also announced that it's ditching discs for GTA 6. Physical discs might be good for the consumer and those who care about preservation, but the cost-benefit of a digital-only model to companies like Sony is clear. Xbox has been moving away from physical for a while now, and even Nintendo, which remains the dominant force where physical game sales are concerned, seems to be pushing customers towards digital with cheaper prices and game key card cartridges that don't contain the whole game. Sony waving goodbye to discs isn't the only PlayStation-related update. The company has also announced that it's closing the PlayStation Store on PS3 and the PS Vita. Once they're gone, it'll no longer be possible to purchase new games or content on those platforms. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.